What's up, everybody? We're gonna be making some cocktails today in my kitchen, and today is gonna be Dark and Stormy's. Ta-da! So we're gonna use some Brugal rum right there. Then we're gonna use a little bit of ginger beer. I'm using Fever Tree. It's delicious. Right there. And we're gonna use some lime, and for some reason I'm gonna tell you that we're gonna use a glass, like you'd be putting in your hands or something like that. Anyways, here's the lime. Chances are you don't know how to cut it properly. So once you cut it from end to end, you're then gonna put a cut perpendicular to the middle line. If you don't know what perpendicular means, Google it. Now this line goes in there so that the night bartender doesn't beat you up. Then we're gonna cut it lengthwise 3 times, and that gives you 4 slices. Try to keep up. We're only gonna use 2 in this cocktail, so let's get rid of these. All right, let's get started. First, the all-important glass, ice. We're gonna squeeze that lime in there. You don't need a ton of it. It's not a lime drink. You just need a little bit of zest. And then we're gonna do about 1 ounce of Brugal rum. And in it goes. Don't worry about measuring. I'm at home. A little more. Then we're gonna pour that ginger beer until it reaches the top, and probably then some more. And we're good. And we're good. We're gonna take our metal straw, jam that lime wedge down there, give it a couple of stabs, and we're gonna garnish it with that lime with the cut in it. Wonderful. And that's it. Thumbs up, have a sip. It's delicious. Go make one. Don't be lazy. Happy Dark and Stormy Day.